Hello YouTube. We're changing the way that our cable works for our blade. I'll have pictures where I had a pulley setting here. This cable runs down under there, and I'll show you how I have it hooked up to a rod that goes to the lever. Here's your lever. This was on the tractor. I get 4 inches of lift. Only got about 3 before. I did wrap this cable around her twice because I've had where I hit a snowdrift and the blade comes up because it's flexible. I've had my cable pop off, so this may help not pop off the cable. You say you hit a snowdrift and the blade comes up. You're digging in the pile too much. We're going to do this out of tripod. There you go. We'll pause, we'll get underneath, and we'll explain how the cable goes to the lever. Okay, I don't know how good this will show up this way, but there's a bolt welded to this rod with a washer welded. I will snap a picture of it. And it just goes to the hole, then it has a lock washer, and it just tightens the cable up, okay? I wanted to get rid of some of this cable. Come here. This is just a bolt, or a rod with a bolt welded to it, okay? So on the other side there's a bolt. I don't know if that'll focus. And when you pull the lever back, the way this is all rigged up, this goes back. It's just how the linkage is made. So when you pull the lever back above, this goes back. So pretty simple. I built all this mechanism here out of pieces I had. And this was factory up in here. It's pretty greasy in here coming out of my steering box, but it's old, but it works. At least it's well lubricated. But here you get a picture of that. I'll snap a couple photos so you can see in detail. It's just a wheel off a lawnmower bolt, so it's smooth. It goes through the hole in this bracket, and then the nut and washer goes on. So you're not got threads in there. It's just a shoulder, I should say. This blade weighs right about 47 pounds. Do one last view. Give you enough pictures there. This is all homemade, even the blade. There's a piece of what I call grater blade. Welded this is a piece of metal off a big propane cylinder. Never really made a video on this, but thanks for watching.